exercise 2.6, we're going to do kind of a pretend income statement as we're getting accustomed to the reports that we will be completing at the end of our financial periods. So what we need to figure out is what was the amount of loss or income for this month of July. So just add a little note here. This is the question. So we're going to look at the revenue that we have. And there are 6 items on the list of accounts, and 2 of them start with fees. Fees for computer repairs and fees for printer repairs. Those 2 items are our revenue. So we need to ignore the setup of of this with the lines and everything. They're making it harder than it needs to be by adding funky lines. But looking at 46, 8, and 6,730. Those are our 2 revenues. And then with our expenses, we've got advertising, for 8,100, and salaries expense. These all have the word expense behind them. Salaries is 20,500. Telephone expense is 1,080, and utilities expense is 1,710. Okay, so when we add these up, we're going to have our total expenses, and we're going to put that total on the next line over. That's the way we'll do it when we actually make an income statement. So adding up these 4 expenses should come to 31,390. Okay, and back up to our repair fees, adding those 2 together should come to 53,530. And we would want to put repair fees is the name of our account for our revenue. Okay, so now we have the total of our revenue and the total of our expenses. And next we need to either show that we have a loss or income. And clearly we have made more money than we spent, so we know we're going to have a net income. We subtract 31,390 from 53,530. And we come up with 22,140. 2 lines under a total. Okay, so the answer to the question is we had an income for the month of July.